In the next few minutes, you are going to learn something that is going to make you genuinely angry at every basic trendline tutorial you have ever watched. And trust me, there have been a lot of them. Because here is the uncomfortable truth that nobody in the basic trading education space wants to admit. A single trend line drawn on a chart is one of the most abused, most misused, and most unreliable tools in all of retail trading. Traders draw them everywhere, connect random highs and lows, call it analysis, and then act completely shocked when price blows straight through their beautiful diagonal line like it does not exist. And yet somehow the concept never gets questioned. The trend line gets blamed for being wrong instead of the approach being questioned. But what if the problem was never the trend line itself? What if the problem was that you were treating it as a single line when the market never respects single lines? What if the real power was always hiding just one layer deeper? That layer is called a trendline zone. And when you combine it with traditional horizontal support and resistance confluence, you get one of the cleanest, most reliable trading frameworks you will ever use. Stay with me because this is about to completely change how you draw and trade trend lines forever. When most traders draw a trend line, they connect 2 or 3 swing points with a single diagonal line. Watch price approach it, and immediately jump into a trade the moment price touches that line. Sounds logical, right? Except the market does not care about your single line. Not even slightly. Price is not a precise mathematical instrument that bounces off a perfectly drawn diagonal with robotic consistency. Price is a living, breathing reflection of millions of orders, decisions, and institutional positioning happening simultaneously. It overshoots. It undershoots. It wicks through your line and snaps back. It breaks your line completely and then reverses 2 candles later, leaving you stopped out of what would have been a perfectly good trade. This happens not because trend lines do not work, but because treating them as a single precise line is fundamentally the wrong approach. The market moves in zones, in ranges, in areas of interest, not in perfectly defined mathematical lines. So what is a trendline zone? Instead of drawing a single trend line, you are going to draw a rectangular zone through rotated rectangle tool in TradingView, a diagonal band of price action that captures the full range of where price has genuinely respected the trend. Here is exactly how you build it. Connect your most obvious swing lows in an uptrend or your most obvious swing highs in a downtrend with your first trend line. That is your primary trend line, and it forms the base of your zone. Now look at the candle wicks that pierced slightly beyond that line during the trend and expand that particular rectangular zone into those wick extremes. The space between these 2 parallel diagonal lines is your trendline zone. This zone now represents the realistic area where price has shown genuine respect for the trend. Not a single unrealistic line, but an honest diagonal band that accounts for the natural noise and volatility of real market movement. When price enters this zone from above in an uptrend, you are now inside institutional interest territory. When price enters this zone from below in a downtrend, you are inside the area where sellers have repeatedly demonstrated their dominance. The zone does not lie to you the way a single line does. It gives you a realistic battlefield to work with. Now here is where this strategy goes from genuinely good to absolutely lethal in the best possible way. A trendline zone on its own is already a significant upgrade from a single line. But when that trendline zone intersects with a major horizontal support or resistance level, something extraordinary happens. You get confluence. And confluence in trading is everything. Think about what confluence actually means in practice. Your trendline zone is telling you that price has respected this diagonal area repeatedly over time. Your horizontal support or resistance level is telling you that price has reacted strongly to this specific price level on multiple occasions. When these 2 things meet at the same point on your chart simultaneously, you are not looking at one reason to take a trade. I know this concept is simple, but it is structured, and it works. And at the end of the day, that is all that actually matters in trading.